Now, as far as when it comes to winning the mandate of the people from their respective seats, and if we talk about Rahul Gandhi in particular, because he's had his handsome win in both Rai Bareli and Wayanad. Now, after Congress party seems to be batting for Rahul Gandhi as the leader of the Congress party, top sources 2 times now suggest that Congress wants Rahul Gandhi to now become the leader of the opposition in parliament. Manikam Tagore has been suggesting that, in fact, there have been other leaders within the India bloc who are now earlier pitching rather for Rahul Gandhi as PM. But for now, as the required numbers are not there with the India bloc to stake claim to form the government, they want that at least opposition should be strong in the parliament, and to lead the opposition from the front should be Rahul Gandhi. So there has been rather an appeal or a request that has been made by their own Congress party leaders, saying that whenever they were going out to campaign, they were seeking votes in the name of Rahul Gandhi. And this is the votes of Rahul Gandhi, this is the mandate of Rahul Gandhi, that the opposition this time around would be looking like a balance in the parliament. And to maintain that kind of balance with a stronger opposition, Rahul Gandhi should be the one who should now take up the position to be the leader of the opposition. But first up, Rahul Gandhi first needs to decide rather which seat that he will be choosing and representing in parliament first. Swati, good morning. What are the Congress leaders saying?
Well, this is one position that the Congress party was kept away from after the last Lok Sabha election results, because they didn't have enough numbers to make one of their netas leader of opposition. But this time around it has 99 MPs. So reports are doing the rounds, and Manikam Tagore in fact has directly voiced his opinion on social media. He says, and I quote, "I sought votes on the name of my leader Rahul Gandhi. I think he should be the leader of Congress in the Lok Sabha. I hope elected Congress MPs also think the same. Let's see how the Congress Parliamentary Party decides. We are a democratic party." So he's garnering support for Rahul Gandhi as a leader of Congress in the Lok Sabha. And according to reports and top sources, we're given to understand that other Congress netas are now joining the bandwagon, demanding the same. They want Rahul Gandhi to be the leader of opposition in the parliament. That's what we're picking up.
All right. Swati, please do stay on with us, because now we talk about other Congress party leaders as well.